Hello everyone, this is AI here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to draw the Maltese Cross in Affinity Vector Studio, formerly known as Affinity Designer. Alright, so to get started we go ahead and we create a new composition. We go to View, Guides, and we add horizontal and vertical center guides to the composition. And then we're going to start drawing the figure. So we take the polygon tool. We're going to need an octagon. So we set the number of sides to 8. We set the fill to none. We leave the stroke as black. And we set the stroke width to 1 point. And then, starting from the middle of the composition, and while holding Ctrl and Shift to expand from the center and keep the 1:1 proportions, we go ahead and we create an octagon of about this size. And then we're going to rotate the octagon. So we go here to Move Tool Settings, and we check on Enable Transform Origin. And then we're going to rotate it by 22.5 degrees here in the Transform panel. And then the next step is going to be that we are going to connect all of its opposing corners. So we take the pen tool. It's important that we have the octagon selected. And we connect this corner here to this corner here. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate this line. So we take the Move tool. We press on Enter to bring out the Move Duplicate panel. We check on Duplicate and we set the number of copies to 3, as we need 4 overall. And we set the rotation angle to 45 degrees. And we click on OK. So now we have connected all the opposing corners. And we can select the octagon and we can delete it. So the next step is going to be to connect the extremity here of this line here to the extremity here of this line here. So we select all the lines and we take the pen tool and we connect this point here to this point here. And then we take the Move tool again. We set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. We press on Enter to bring out the Move Duplicate panel. We check on Duplicate and we set the number of copies to 3. And we set the rotation angle to 90 degrees. And we click on OK. So now we have all the lines that we need to create the figure. So we select everything. And we take the Shape Builder tool. We set the Action to plus and the Cleanup to none. And we are going to connect all the V shapes like this. And then we take the Move tool. And then while holding Shift, we select all the lines that remain in the Layers panel and we delete them. So now we have the cross that is completed. We set the stroke to none. And we are going to set the fill to red. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to draw the Maltese Cross in Affinity Vector Studio. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!